Hmm? What
You
skin?
didn't pick a skin?
I don't
Yeah,
have
why
any
did you
skin.
pick a skin?
Skye, yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Shut up.
Well, you suck then.
You heard that?
Shut up!
I swear, I
You
barely
hear me
hear you.
now?
I can't hear
You
you. I
hear me
barely
now?
hear you. I can't.
Who's
I
dumb
can't.
now?
What the fuck was that?
He won't fucking
Can you hear
believe
me?
me. See? I barely hear you.
Can you hear me? No.
No!
Harry's a faggot!
I heard that, bitch!
Oh shit.
Wait, what? You
Fuck
have
you.
Baron now?
Yeah?
Oh look,
Fuck.
there went my patience.
He bought
Yeah,
it
you
with
freaking
money.
cheated.
No, what are you talking about? I'll never do that.
Oh,
Never
fuck
do.
you. You suck.
He buys
You
everything.
suck, bro.
Yeah, bitch.
Harya. Tanga. Stupid.
You
Sinasayang
cool.
pera.
I'm gonna keep laughing. Don't care what he says.
You heard that? He said he doesn't care what you say.
You heard it, bitch. I thought you can hear me.
I
No, I can
barely
hear
hear
you.
you.
Dumb.
Dude, I'm lagging. Don't go.
Look at
Okay.
this
I'm lagging.
bitch.
Don't go. Dude, what
Yo,
a
no.
freaking combo.
Ready. Set.
Pump the brakes.
Rolling. What the?
You're
Oh
dead,
no.
man.
Oh.
Oh, wow. You left
Kill
me
him.
to
Kill
die
him.
on my...
Harry.
Killed an
Nice.
enemy.
One more.
Harry, why you no go down, you bitch?
What's that thing?
Oh, shit.
I'm dying.
Please. RNG. One
Why
time
you
for
could
my
go late?
analysis. Fuck!
Don't want to deal
Why
with
he
sorry.
came back? He's a bitch, right?
Did you just say?
Bitches. The...
You're a
Said
bitch.
You suck.
You're a bitch.
You're a
Bitch.
Don't stick it out.
Bruh.
Oh
Bruh, come
shit.
on. No, I did
You
that.
suck, Harry.
Oh shit, I heard.
I heard. Yeah, I heard too. I heard.
Mining has
I heard them
bitch.
like they were killing people. I heard too. I heard. Don't worry.
Kill him.
You kill him.
enemy hero killed.
That team.
Is he going crystal build? Are you going crystal build?
No, I'm weapon.
Enemy hero killed.
Go, go more, go more, go.
Push.
Okay, dude, I don't know you, dude.
I'm dead.
I don't know you, Harry.
I can
Oh shit!
we,
What the
we
fuck?
can barely hear Chris Bell.
Welcome to my crosshairs.
Tulong ka garo daw.
Yo.
Shit.
Turn
We
down
mean
your
tulong. Even as Mar, you dumb shit.
Tulang ka, gago.
Whoa, dude, turn down your
Chris,
mic.
I heard that. Don't call me tulong.
Oh
Fuck
shit!
you.
I thought you couldn't hear me, bitch.
Work
Yeah,
on
bitch.
You bitch. Kanani.
enemy hero.
Nice. Yeah, bitch.
Shut up. Don't call me bitch.
You know what? I'm gonna steal your fucking farm.
Oh really? Oh what? Oh wow, you stole my farm. Oh.
Anak pa
barely-
ya. Iya.
Ah. Ah.
Yo,
Ah.
help me. Yo, can someone help me?
Why is that guy so tanky?
Allied hero
Bruh.
killed an enemy.
Chris, why are
Nobody
you here
helped
at
him.
late?
Nobody helped him.
Why are you here at lane? I thought you're jungle.
Chris, cruise pretty low. But
Don't care.
thing,
Why can you
Never
hear me,
count
Mark?
survival.
my
Yes, you can. What the fuck?
Second death. I warned you.
Oh my god, I'm lagging.
Fuck you, cruel. Suck my dick.
Mine.
Can you
Ooh.
stop?
It's a dumbass scroll. He could just fucking kill you.
You wanna kill him? Bro.
Bruh, he didn't go back.
Chris, you suck.
Go.
Gold mine is almost
Oh, there's a
full.
thing there. Kill him. Go. Go jump, Harry. Jump. Jump.
I
Jerry.
don't have mana.
Jump.
Jerry.
Jump.
I don't have mana. Shut the fuck
Jump, you bitch.
Got him. No.
Look, look, look. Dude.
Oh, cool.
Dude. Tombstone. He's my friend.
Wait, he's playing?
Yeah, he's my friend. Isn't he your friend too?
Ally hero
Yeah.
killed.
Playing?
Yeah, dude. He's our friend.
Shit.
Huh?
It's the friend.
Yeah. You can do things for the farm.
Oh, what the frick? Dude, how are you level 8 and I'm level 6?
Fucking ulti sucks.
The living.
What was that ulti? That
Takes
sounded
so
sick.
long.
Then, yeah, you get Baron.
Chris, why are you level 6?
I
Of
don't know.
course
You
you're-
stole my fucking farm. Dude, let me farm. Let me farm so I could level up.
No, I'm poor fucking farm.
I'm poor fucking farm. Poor fucking farm.
Fuck you, farm.
Poor fucking farm. I need poor fucking farm. You're
He's
dead.
Shit.
Lol.
Mark, kill him, Mark. Ulti.
Oh, dang.
He blocked it. Damn, he's so good. Damn, he's good.
Just run away.
How do I have 18 freaking last hits?
Absolutely.
I have 52.
This sucks.
I need to
Poor
steal more.
Kestrel.
Yo,
Yo, go for Saw.
Yeah.
he's stealing your farm too.
Go for Saw.
Kill him.
Where you pussy? Where are you, Mar?
Piece of shit.
You're dead.
Help!
Yeah.
Help! 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 Kill him!
I don't have my thing. My thing. You know my thing.
I don't trust them.
Kill him, Mar.
It's called a suicide.
He's gonna
Okay.
shank you.
You have killed and shut down.
Kill him, Mar.
Enemy
Kill
hero
him, Mar.
They got
Daddy.
played. They
Good
got
job,
played.
Chris. Work right there, bro.
Oh shit. Wait. I can outplay him.
Chris, you're gonna
Yes! What the fuck?
I heard-
No! I lagged at the
I
second.
heard him.
I lagged.
I'm
I
dead.
lagged. I lagged.
I heard him.
I fucking lagged. What the fuck?
Can you go finish him off, Perry?
I fucking lagged at the fucking last moment.
He went home.
Dude, why am
Be
I
a bummer.
always fucking lagging? I'm lagging again.
Oh, he stunned me.
You didn't see
What's that OP?
enemy
Yeah.
hero killed.
Tank for it.
Yo, someone go get that.
No, the ace minion can handle it. See?
Chris, go get that.
What's I missed?
Immense gold payout collected. Enemy turret destroyed. In my vocabulary,
Let me have that more.
is a noun.
Fuck
Fuck
you.
Look!
Look at it.
Open your eye and look! Go, ambush. Go.
Yo, help!
I can't help you. You have to help me, bro. What's that guy's plan?
Fuck you.
Outplayed!
Let's go hunt.
Outplayed.
Let's go hunting.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Freaking hell! I can't go
He
home.
gave up.
Your team captured the
Oh, he
second
tried to
minion.
last hit.
Allied minion.
Stupid
Go, Mar.
minions.
Stun him.
Coming.
I'm lagging, Mar. I'm lagging a bit. I'm lagging. Okay. What is the lag? What is with the
Shit.
fucking lag? This
Enemy
lag.
turret
I'm-
I'm done playing after this game, man. Yo, just stay there. Oh my god, dude, I was gonna last it.
Okay, I'm coming.
Watch this.
No, rich dog.
Welcome to my
Why
Yo,
is
come
it
on.
lagging?
Chris, what were you doing?
What?
Chris, you should have killed Lyra.
It's fucking lagging.
Shit, you're
Hey, got you.
Yeah.
nice.
Hit him,
Nice.
hit him, hit him, hit him.
I'm coming. I'll kill Lyra.
Go. One.
Fuck this game, man. What do you use your
Boom,
OP?
why'd you do that? You okay. You should have done
You should have done it here.
Yeah.
What,
Ow!
dude?
Ow! Shit!
No, you
Shit!
kidding.
Shit!
Killed,
Shit!
dude.
Go that way, go that way! Oh my god.
killed.
Good job, man. Good catch,
You're
man.
dead.
Yo, that's
I'm
done
never
though.
wrong. I just get bad intel.
Ta 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 ta
Daddy,
ta
he's
ta ta
dead.
ta.
Hero kill.
Oh! Oh! Aw.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
Yeah. Almost double kill. Almost double
Ta
kill.
ta ta
Not
ta
gonna lie.
ta.
Double
Double
kill.
kill. Got
You
him.
suck.
No.
Killed.
He's so
My
stupid. He
turn.
stayed at the bush.
My turn.
Shut up, Chris.
My turn. Oh, she's not
Lyra's
there.
here. Lyra's here.
What's up? What the fuck?
Bruh. Stop. Dang. Oh my god.
Yeah, we fucking won. I'm so fucking good, actually.
you mean so good. Fuck you.
That freaking Baron keeps on dying. What's with that, dude?
What? Shut the fuck
No,
up.
there's a microwave!
One, two, three, four.
I lag.
No!
He fucking lag.
Oh my god, why is it all the
I'm
time that
dead.
when somebody uses the fucking
No.
microwave, it fucking lags?